Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sea green coral bathtub. Post noon. In nude naked water. My own intradermate surf. Ping. Inebriate faucet. Army chemical mask slid down in surplus sweat fabrication. Outside screen. Epsom salt salinity. And freakish April. Withdrawnness, whitish solemnity, detachment from dour glaciarity. Every grapple, avalanches last, when sirens, toxin pumps off. I only know it was abstract, the mechanism shout around. A caterpillar of roundly friction. Behind Siren's mouth, total magnetism was awaiting manufactured crowning through syngetic horn. Burbly warnings, tornadoes, war, returning along with gravity in Los Alamos style, huge nuclear is to undo the human process.